Hi everyone. Today we are going through a complete demo of TCW Supply Chain ERP and how it works for your business. This system helps you manage manufacturing, logistics, and inventory all in one place instead of juggling multiple tools. I'll break this down into 4 easy steps so you can see exactly how each feature works and how they connect together. To explore the TCW Supply Chain ERP solution, we'll start here on the main website where you can see the unified platform designed for various supply chain operations. As you can see, it caters to all operations of a supply chain, including manufacturers, suppliers, distributors, warehouse operators, and logistics operators. For the purpose of this demo, we will show you how the manufacturing, courier, and logistics companies can use this. Let's go to the next step, which is to explore the demo account and branch management system. Here we can see the manufacturing operations dashboard loading, which serves as the central hub for managing both manufacturing and courier service operations for this demo branch. Let's explore the branch setup by clicking on Branch Management in the left navigation panel. The Branches Management page shows our current active branch configuration, displaying how the platform handles multi-location operations for businesses. Click the back button to return to the main dashboard view. Next, we'll examine the Branch Discovery feature by clicking on Branch Discovery in the navigation menu. We've now explored the demo account structure and how branches are organized within TCW Supply Chain ERP. But we understand that at the beginning, the connection with the other branches will not be possible. So we have also included third-party contacts. Now, let's go to the next step, which is to manage internal and third-party contacts. To manage your business connections, click on Third-Party Contacts here. The system displays all your external contacts. These can be suppliers, vendors, customers, or any business partner you work with, even if they're not using the TCW system. Use this drop-down to filter contacts by type. You can organize them as suppliers, customers, or vendors for easier management. Let's head back to the main dashboard to continue exploring the manufacturer features. Next, we move to the management of inventory, stock, and bins in the system. To manage inventory, stock, and bins, click on Items under the Inventory section. In the Items Management page, you can view and manage all your inventory items. Head to Stock Management under the WMS section to see your stock levels. Here you can see your stock management page with numerical counts of all inventory items across your warehouse. For more precise warehouse management, click on Bin Stock Management. This shows you exactly which items are assigned to specific bin locations in your warehouse, giving you complete visibility of where everything is stored. We've now organized our inventory, stock levels, and bin locations across our warehouse. Let's go to the next step, which is to handle purchase orders and manufacturing needs. To handle purchase orders and manufacturing needs, click on Purchase Orders under the Order Management section. Here, you can see all your purchase orders with their current statuses, giving you a complete overview of your procurement pipeline and vendor orders. Click on Manufacturing Needs to see the system's intelligent recommendations. This page provides intelligent insights based on your current stock levels of raw materials and components, showing you exactly what finished goods can be produced and what manufacturing operations you can execute next. We've now covered how to handle purchase orders and manufacturing needs in the system. Let's go to the next step, which is to manage inbound, outbound, and production operations. To manage inbound and outbound operations, let's start with the outbound management section here. Click on Handling Units to see how the system manages picking, packing, and handling operations. Here you can see the Handling Units interface for managing outbound operations. Let's check out the inbound management capabilities by clicking here. This shows your inbound operations dashboard with options for managing inbound loads, quality control, and put-away tasks for procurement. For production operations, expand the Ops menu under Manufacturing Ops. Click on Production Schedules to see how the system handles production planning. This calendar view shows your production schedules, where you can create and manage all production orders with AI-powered scheduling suggestions. You now have full visibility into your inbound, outbound, and production operations across all facilities. Let's go to the next step, which is to use AI for production and dock scheduling to optimize your manufacturing workflow. To explore AI-powered production scheduling, click on the AI Schedule Suggestion button here. The AI scheduling interface loads, showing you the intelligent production planning capabilities. Click on Production Batches to see how the system manages batch scheduling. Notice how the system shows a pending status while generating AI-optimized schedule suggestions for your production workflow. Click Production Batches again to refresh and see the updated scheduling options. Select Batch QC to view the quality control management features. Here you can see the production batch QC dashboard displaying quality checks with their status. Notice both checks show passed, which automatically updates your inventory without manual intervention. Let's explore dock operations by clicking on Dock Management. The Dock Management section loads, showing both dock setup and dock scheduling options for managing your inbound and outbound operations with AI-powered scheduling capabilities. We've now optimized our production floor and dock schedules using AI-powered scheduling. Let's go to the next step, which is to manage logistics and return orders. To manage logistics and return orders, expand the trips and docks section under Logistics. Scroll down to explore the available logistics management options. Click on Logistics Orders to manage third-party logistics operations. Here you can view and manage all logistics orders from third-party contacts, including tracking IDs and shipping notices. Review the complete list of logistics orders and their current status. Navigate back to the menu to access return management features. Click on Return Order Requests to handle customer return requests. Select Return QC Management to manage the quality control process for returns. This module allows you to handle the complete return QC workflow, ensuring proper quality checks on returned items. Let's move to part 3, which is to explore how a dedicated logistics provider branch operates in the system. To overview a logistics provider branch, let's switch to this tab to see how the system works for a 3PL company. Here, we can see the Hyderabad branch dashboard, which represents a typical logistics provider that handles both 3PL services and courier operations. Let's scroll down to explore the logistics-specific features available in the navigation panel. Click on Logistics Orders to see how the system manages incoming logistics requests. The Logistics Orders Management page opens, where you can handle hundreds of daily logistics orders that come into your 3PL operation. We've now explored the logistics provider branch and its core capabilities. Let's go to the next step, which is to use AI for logistics, order scheduling, and route optimization. To use AI for logistics, order scheduling, and route optimization, click on AI Schedule Suggestions here. Click the View Details icon to examine a pending suggestion. The Schedule Suggestion Details page opens, displaying comprehensive trip information and an optimized route map for your available vehicles. Scroll down to explore additional route suggestions and view the detailed mapping for each option. Apply the AI recommendations by clicking Apply Selected. Then expand the Trips and Docks menu to see how the system automatically creates your trips and load assignments. Our AI has optimized the routes and generated the complete logistics schedule. Let's go to the next step, which is to manage load assignments and shipping documents. To manage load assignments, click on this option. The Load Assignment Management page displays all your current assignments. In this case, we can see 3 active load assignments. Click the View icon to examine the details of this specific load assignment. Here, you'll find comprehensive details about the trip, including schedule information and load specifics. Scroll down to access the Document Management section, where you can handle all shipping paperwork. Click here to generate the Advanced Shipping Notice, which provides customers with advanced notification of incoming shipments. You can also create the delivery note by clicking this option, which serves as proof of delivery documentation. Now that our logistics workflow is complete, let's move into the financial section to see how TCW handles invoice creation and management. To access the financial management features, click on Invoices under the Books section. Navigate back up and click Invoices again to ensure you're in the right section. Notice how the view splits to show different windows of the application for better workflow management. First, let's check the Return QC Management section by clicking here. Click back on Invoices to access the main invoice management area. The Invoices Management page loads, displaying all your draft invoices and billing documents in one centralized location. Click the View Details icon to examine the first invoice and see the comprehensive billing information. Here's the detailed invoice view showing the complete tax invoice with billing information, itemized details, and totals for both manufacturers and logistics providers to customize with their signatures and branding. You now have full control over invoice creation and management in TCW Supply Chain ERP. Here's your quick actions dashboard where you can access all the key management features we've explored today. This gives you a complete overview of your supply chain operations in one centralized location. We just wrapped up the dashboard and that's everything. You've now seen the full TCW Supply Chain ERP system in action. For more information and a detailed demo, reach out to tcwsupplychain.com.